virtual machine 1. Okay. And here, if you go to the network settings, here you can see only RDP is there, but rest all are denied. See, denied. Only virtual network load balancer is allowed. ICMP is not allowed here. Okay. So either we will be able to create a new port rule and do that, or else what we are going to do that see here, we'll be going to have PowerShell. Run as administrator. Either this one or that one also fine. Yeah. And we will be copying new firewall rule, display ICMP, and enter. Now, if you see here, if I refresh this rule here, okay. So here what we have did is that here we have allowed, sorry, that is not the NSG. I've made it wrong. This is through we are doing, we can allow from there also, and here we have allowed the ICMP through firewall here, Windows firewall. Okay. Let me check. Windows Defender firewall sections here, inbound rules, and if you see here, we have allow in this case we have to allow on both the firewalls. 1 minute. This is for VM1. We'll be logging into VM2 also. Give any source, any you can give, port any, destination any, customer custom any, and this also star for time being, and here you just enable the ICMP version, allow and add. Now you can see we have added the ICMP one. Still we are getting timeout. So what we are going to do, we have to allow, we'll be logging into the virtual machine now again, the other one, the other virtual machine, and there we need to allow. Before that, we have to allow on the VM1 also. So this is the VM2. Now I'll type host name. Sorry, host name VM2 ipconfig. This is that, and then what I'm going to do, I'll go to tools, R1 security, inbound. See, once I allow the firewall inbound portal, then I'm getting the ping result. Got it? So from this machine, I can take RDP of the machine using private IP. So suppose RDP, I'll type here, and I can take 10.10. 10.10.1.4, which is VM2. So I'll connect. Now lab user AZURE VM @12345. Now from VM1, I can take RDP of this. See, session got closed because I'm taking RDP of VM2. Now see, this is 10 dot, and you can see this is VM2. See, so within VM1, I took, and this is again host name. This is VM1. Now within VM1, I am taking RDP of VM2. See, I have taken RDP of VM2. Clear, all of you? Any question till now? How to create virtual network, virtual machines, how to take RDP, how to ping. Any question, guys? I'm audible?
No, sir. No.
Okay, good. Now this is how, and how we are going to configure this virtual machine as a web server. That also is another concept, a simple web server. And how we should be able to access from internet. That also we'll be checking it. Okay. Then the next section is that I'll be going to make this virtual machine as a, there is two ways of doing that. Okay. I can go ahead and configure that as a, I will be installing web server role on one of the machine using Windows PowerShell, or I can manually configure also. So if I want to do with um, through PowerShell, then what I'll be doing, I'll be just copying this command, install Windows feature name web server. So if I, before running that, if I go to, so what I'll be doing, I'll go to the edge. Okay, I'll go to the edge, and here I'll type as localhost, suppose, because I'll be making this as a web server. So local host, I enter. Now see, when I'm typing localhost, nothing is getting displayed, right? Now I'll be now going to PowerShell. Now I'll be installing PowerShell now. PowerShell, sorry, in Windows web server, I'll be installing in the PowerShell. Now the installation is in progress. This is one of way of doing, only to install and do that. And another way I'll show you.
Hello, sir.
Mhm.
One question. So is the command in the PowerShell, is it case sensitive and space sensitive?
No, this is not case sensitive. We can
Okay.
make I as small, M as small, all we can do. There is no issues.
Okay. Regarding the space, sir.
Space is must. It should be space also. It is not a problem, but hyphen and all those things should be there. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now see, this is got succeed. Now if I refresh this, now see what happened. Now this became your IIS server, Internet Information Service, right? Got it? By installing this, I got it. Now I'll be doing the same for my VM2 also. Now again, I'll go to the edge. So again, localhost, I'll type enter. You'll see that nothing will come out, right? Now there is another way of configuring this is through here. You'll go to the tools and sorry, in dashboard, go ahead, add roles and features. Next, remote based features, VM2. Now here, there is an option for Windows Server. See, this is add feature. Next, everything next. Go ahead and do it. Then install it. So one way I shown you that how we'll be able to do with PowerShell. Similarly, we are doing here using add and role features widget. Also, we are trying to do within the server manager. Now installation is in progress. Once it is done, you'll see that we are able to receive virtual machine 1. Okay. And here, if you go to the network settings, here you can see only RDP is there, but rest all are denied. See, denied. Only virtual network load balancer is allowed. ICMP is not allowed here. Okay. So either we will be able to create a new port rule and do that, or else what we are going to do that